Hey everyone, what if you could have an AI chat on your course that helps learners with questions? So this would be basically something that you could have as a little pop-up inside of your course, and then it would say, the learner can say, this doesn't, can you clarify this? This part doesn't make sense. And this AI tutor will actually help your learners be able to get the right information. This is something that's fairly new with Rise, and so I wanted to dive into it. Let's go ahead and go into Rise here. And I'm going to go into a course that I'm working on, just a sample course. Now you can also upload additional information that will help with the AI tutor. So if you go into the AI assistant up on top, and if you come into the AI settings down at the bottom, these are different files that you can upload. When you upload those different files, they're essentially resources to help you create content. And those resources to help you create content is also what helps you with the different blocks. And so when you're creating that content in the different blocks, it can pull from those different resources. So you can upload all that additional information. But there is a new option here, which is the AI tutor. And if you select the AI tutor, notice here it says it adds a chat to your course. So learners can ask the AI tutor questions about the content and get generated responses. Now the learner will see this throughout the course. That's something to keep in mind. Limitations, AI generated may be inaccurate. That's true with any AI that you're working with at this point. So that's just something to keep in mind. You can also enable or disable the AI tutor. When disabled, the chat will be removed as well. And then data and privacy, learner questions, course content are processed securely. So whatever it's asking, that's something that is processed securely, that is not passed over and shared with Articulate according to the documentation that I've seen here. So you can also change the button text and the image. So if you want it to be something specific, like you have like Ask Jeeves or something like that, you can upload that here. I'm just gonna go ahead and enable it. And notice that it is beta. So it is something that may not work perfectly right now, but it's only gonna get better. So I can go ahead and just click done here. Now, at this point, I need to be able to preview it. Always go back in and then also do the generate course summary, generate questions, return to AI outline as well. So when you're creating this, all of this could help. So I'm gonna go back here and so let's actually go back one more. Oh, sorry, return to course. Let me go back into here. And we're gonna preview this to see what the AI tutor looks like. Okay, so as I'm taking this course, this is where it says Ask AI Tutor. Again, we can change this label to anything that we want. But if I click on that, it then pops open with this chat. So let's go into a page, for example. So welcome to Acme Standards of Conduct. I'm gonna go into here, and you can see that it gives me a couple different prompts. Explain this in simpler terms, search course contents, and then also summarize this training as well. I wanna go ahead and choose summarize this training. So right now, it just kind of gives me a summary of the entire training. So introduction to Acme Standards of Conduct, overview of company course expectations, guidelines. And so it kind of just gives me an overview of this training. So I have a lot of content in there, but it gives me that high level overview. Now, I want to come in and ask a specific question. So let's say, how does Acme feel about the standards of conduct at their organization? So then this chat pops up. The course emphasizes, so it's referencing the course, which is nice because it's the information inside of the course that's using to create these responses back to the learner. So the course emphasizes that Acme values the standards of conduct highly. They are designed to promote a respectful professional workplace. Adhering to the standards are crucial for maintaining positive work environment and ensuring everyone's well-being. And you can provide, as the learner, some responses as well. And it does give you some tips down at the bottom. So this to me is just almost like icing on the cake. So as I'm going throughout the course, I can get additional help. I can provide or ask for clarity on different things. And to me, I wish that it would also give you the analytics so you can see what people are asking and see what's not clear, so I can go back in and I can change things as needed. So maybe that'll come down the line, but it's nice to just be able to enable that and to add that here. Now, what you can also do, just like this one right here, you could also provide, if you want to go beyond that, you could create like a chatbot, vibe code a chatbot, and have that information right here, but it's contained within that block. This is contained in any page. So as I go into the page, I can go in and add the AI tutor to any page. Now, what I could do if I really wanted to is I could download Rise and I can open Rise inside of Claude Code or something like that. And I can add a custom chatbot on there. If I have another chatbot somewhere else, I could also embed it that way. But this just adds a nice layer to Rise, giving you more opportunity to help the learner. And so that's why I just wanted to quickly walk you through it. There's not much that it takes to go to enable this. You just click the button there and just make sure that all of your content is correct inside of your course, which you should anyways. But if it's correct inside of your course, then it helps feed the chatbot as well. But I also recommend, let's go back into edit, checking out the other options inside of here. So going back into AI settings, uploading additional documentation, going into the lesson summary, the magic text import, which helps you import some text from other locations as well. There's a lot that you can do with AI inside of Rise. So make sure you check out some other videos. I do have other videos covering the AI assistant inside of Rise if you want to check those out. But that's all I have for today. So if you want to check out more, head on over to my website at learningdojo.ninja. Here you can check out all my previous blog posts. And if you sign up for a free account, you can also bookmark blog posts so you can come back to your bookmarked area. You can also check out full courses that I have covering everything from A to Z inside of Articulate Rise. We have XAPI, we have AI developments and Articulate. We also have Vibe Coding Fundamentals, creating custom code with Claude Code, and JavaScript and Storyline as well. You can also go to the download section and download some free templates. That's all I have for today, so thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.